What if I told you that in 26 you could get a Ryzen 9 powerhouse with an RTX 50 series card for just $1,200? It sounds too good to be true, but today we're looking at the Lenovo Lecoo Bellator 7000. This machine is so fresh out of the box that it doesn't even have Windows installed yet. I wanted to give you my raw first impressions of the design and the insane spec sheet that Lenovo has managed to cram into this chassis. Is this the best value gaming laptop of the year? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the name. Bellator means warrior in Latin, and the design definitely reflects that. For those who don't know, Lecoo is a Lenovo sub-brand, and you can see the Legion DNA here, but with a more aggressive industrial twist. The build quality feels incredibly dense and premium for the price. It's got this sleek, dark gray finish that doesn't scream gamer too loudly, but once you look at those massive rear exhaust vents, you know it means business. One thing I love, the port placement. Most of your heavy cables, HDMI, power, and Ethernet, plug into the back. This keeps your desk setup clean and your mouse hand free from clutter. The keyboard feels tactile and snappy, and that full-size numpad is a huge win for anyone using this for work or school during the day. We have a spec list that genuinely shocked me for a $1,100 laptop. CPU, Ryzen 9. In 2026, the Ryzen 9 remains the gold standard for multitasking. Whether you're streaming, editing 4K video, or running heavy simulations, this CPU isn't going to break a sweat. GPU RTX 5060, 8GB. This is the star of the show. The new 50 series architecture from NVIDIA brings massive improvements in efficiency and DLSS capabilities. Even at 8GB of VRAM, this card is designed to crush 1440p gaming. Storage and memory, we have a 1TB Gen 4 SSD and 16GB of RAM. In an era where games are getting bigger and bigger, having a full terabyte out of the box is a huge relief. So what's my first impression? I noticed that for 1,200, the Bellator 7000 feels like a steal. Usually at this price point, brands cut corners on build quality or give you a lower tier CPU, but Lenovo didn't play that game here. What do you think of the Bellator 7000? Is this the new budget king? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.